Welcome back, guys. So this is the part 3 of the rock paper scissors project. In the first part we had discussed about user input. In the second part we had discussed about computer input. So in this we'll be comparing between the user input and the computer input. We all know the rules. If I put rock and if someone put scissors, then I win. If I put rock and someone put paper, then they win. So we all know we all have played the game, so we know the rules. So we are just we are just feeding that rules into computer. So we'll just see which are the new functions this time. So you can see the functions are determine winner and the computer choice are the same. Now the only determine winner is the new function here. So let's say determine winner, how it is working. In this determine winner we are giving two inputs, that is one is the user choice, one more is the computer choice. So in these two we know how we have identified this in the previous video. Now we check the first condition. What we check, if the user input is equal to the computer input. If both are same, then it's simple, it is a tie. First we check for user input equal to computer input. If it is yes, it is a tie. Else, if user input is rock and somebody gives scissors, then I win. User wins. If the user input is paper and somebody gives rock, then he wins. And if the user input is scissors and somebody gives paper, then they win. Then I win, user win. So then my score is incremented by 1. And then it says congratulations, I win this round. Or else computer score is incremented by 1. It says congratulations, computer wins this round. Simple. All these things we had seen in the previous video only. Now one more is a new part is the winner calculation here. So you can see we have called a function and then we display the result. After the result is displayed, then only we increment this by 1. So you can see every time a new thing is getting added here, this is the n++, that is increment of n, keeps moving. Because after everything is done, then only we increment the round, we move on to the next round. So now let me run the program. So my input would be rock. Computer has entered rock, so it's a tie. Now my input would be paper. Computer has entered scissors, so computer wins this round. Now my input is again rock. Computer has entered paper, so computer wins this round. You can see because best of 3, computer won 2 rounds. Now you can see here, because it was best of 3, now I don't know who won exactly. I have to keep calculating how many points each one of us got. So next part what we'll be doing is we'll calculate who won best of 3 and then we'll announce them as winner. So let me submit the program now. I hope you guys have understood this solution. So yeah, the test cases have passed and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.